welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create the cheapest Microsoft SQL database in Microsoft Azure. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Let's begin. So first we need to search SQL databases, then create. We need to select this subscription and resource group. The database name, and in Microsoft Azure, when we are creating a database, we always need to have a server. You can see that we don't have server, so we need to create it. You don't pay for server, it's only like logical entity that help you to group your databases. We can select the both SQL and Microsoft Entra authentication, or only the SQL authentication, sorry. SQL admin, then press OK. Backup storage, we can select the locally because it's the cheapest one. Now that we have our server, we choose it. Then there are option for elastic pools. Elastic pools are like you create specific amount of CPU and RAM, and then that hardware is divided between different databases. It's like shared between them. So it's shared between all the databases in that elastic pool. We don't need that, and because we want the most cheapest one, we need to select dev. And now the most important part, the compute and storage. So we have the serverless option that is cheaper when you have only low amount of transaction per day, and there also option the basic. So when we select the basic, it will have 5 DTU and 2 gigabytes of storage, and the price will be something like $5 American. this is equivalent to $5 American. Then we go to network. We we always want to use a private endpoint because it's more secure. Or we can configure this later if we select no access. Then next, you can enable Defender, but it's a little expensive, like 15 American dollars per month per server. Then we have a lot of other security configuration. We don't need that. We can start with blank database or we can load simple data. Then we press next, next, and create. Let's check the error. So it seems like we can use this group. So I select another resource group. So if you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.